tour doesn't demand any energy. You see that blue?
Yeah.
Is very metallic. There's an entity in Costa Rica responsible for giving you a permit to cut a tree. You need to justify why you're going to cut the tree. They're the ones that gave to this company the permit to remove this tree because safety first, right? Mm-hmm. A canyon here. See it? Mm-hmm. You see the river down there. Small one. In just seconds. Those are hard. I have things like spores. Some of the things don't cause any impact in our continent, but some are parasites. There is a fungus that goes. The thing is that the nighttime butterflies, I can say that all of them, but most of them, the larva, when the individuals kill larva, eat for an hour. Take a couple more. Are you sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Siempre la gente ha hablado, pero no es científicos, son el artículo, ¿no? ¿Está usted, verdad? That's known as a crested caracara. Crested caracara. Ahí va. And they are like black vultures. Es grande, ¿verdad? Que como un perro metros, tal vez.
¿Quieres?
Okay, don't forget that this is not an alligator, this is a croc. So what's the difference between I don't want to bother then, right? ¿Sí lo vieron, señores? Insects. Right, they're insectivorous, right? Why do they perch that way, one underneath the other one? Normally that they spend the day on cave, but there are no cave available. So that's how they do it. And why do they perch one underneath the other one? When there's any predator approaching, they're going to start vibrating all of them at once. It will look like there's one single animal. It's a sloth, 2 toes.
2 toes, okay.
We have the 2 and the 3. Tenemos el perezoso de 2 dedos, el de 3 dedos y el de 5.
Yes.
A little bit hard to see because they have a great...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what the monkey's saying now? Don't jump in the water, please. That's a remote control, Japanese technology. I was saying that most of birds have that gland, which is the one they use to protect their feathers from the rain. This kind of bird don't have that gland. It could be an advantage.
Safety inspection. Toucan. Yeah, see right here? Look at that big beak.
Where?
Right here on this tree right there. See that big beak?
Oh, please, yes, that's a toucan. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Oh, please, you're so lucky. Ah, pero si fue con una foto. Ah, no se vaya, por favor, no se me vaya, por favor, aguante. Ahí se está riendo de ustedes. Vean esos homo sapiens tomándome fotos.
Ahí los tengo. También es en control remoto,
También, sí, señor, sí.
como el otro que estaban diciendo abriendo la sala.
For a long time, people have been wondering how come these birds, they can fly with such a large beak. It seems to be strong and heavy. Yes, it's very strong, but it's not heavy. Actually, very light. Why? Because the beak is made of keratin. You know what a keratin is? Our nails, our hair is made out of keratin. So this one is the largest one. And it's es más, nunca me gustaron los sabores. Entonces,
No digas eso, Pani.
¿ah? No, pues. Yo como te dije, yo particularmente yo quiero decir, porque mayormente son abusadores, y me puedo explicar, mayormente son así. Entonces,
Y ya no hay refacción.
See on the log, the green and black?
we're on top of the log. ¿Qué para acá? ¿Ya está?
Mira qué
Poison.
bonito.
Poison, yeah, okay, that's the red one, right? Look at that, it's climbing up there.
There he is.
Okay. Wait a second, please. After a while, you will feel your hand burning, and it's going to swell a little bit. I mean, that burning is not, it's not going to kill me, right?
Right.
Right, yeah. You still there? Yeah, still there. Take a look. No, you're getting it. Yeah, that's
Jesus Christ lizard walks on water.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah.
That's the one that they can run on top of the water. Right? I was commenting when we're driving this way. I was commenting about the speed raptors. That's the one that they bait in that lizard. Are girls. Okay, only girls they walk in the field. They work in the fields.
Costa Rica, baby. Salud.